Hi students, welcome to 10th standard max pair of linear equations in two variables. How are you all? Hope you are all fine at home. Today I'm going to explain reducing the variables and solve the pair of linear equations. Solve the pair of equations. Solve the pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. So what is the given question? Solve the pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. So given equations are reducing them first. How to reduce the equations? After that, you have to apply any one method. Okay. So what are the given equations? First equation is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. What is the first one? 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. This is the first equation. Second equation is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. Now what do you observe here? Denominator in first equation is x plus y. And the second denominator also x plus y. Okay. And second term in first equation x minus y. And second one also x minus y. Here reducing terms are x plus y and x minus y. X plus y and x minus y. Already we learnt in previous section. 10 by x plus y is written as 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y means 2 into 1 by x minus y. Here 1 by x plus y, 1 by x minus y. These two are assuming terms. You have to assume a or b, x or y. Okay. Now coming to solution part. Solution. First of all, you have to write the given equations. Given equations are 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. Second one is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to 2. Okay. So do you know what are the reducing terms? Here reducing terms are x plus y and x minus y. Okay. Now putting 1 by x plus y equals to a, or a or b as your wish. Okay. And 1 by x minus y equals to b. So putting 1 by x plus y equals to a and 1 by x minus y equals to b, because these two are reducing terms. Okay. Now coming to first equation, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4 is written as 10 into 1 by x plus y, 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to 4. 15 by x plus y means 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equals to minus 2. Are you clear? So these two are given equations. The given equations become, so 10 by x plus y means 10 by x plus y is written as 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 2 by x minus y means 2 into 1 by x minus y is equals to 4. Already here 1 by x plus y equals to a, 1 by x minus y equals to b. Okay. Substitute a and b in the place of 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y. Okay. Here 1 by x plus y means a, 10a, plus 2 into 1 by xy means 1 by x minus y means b, 2b equals to 4. So this is written as 10a plus 2b equals to 4. Are you clear? 10 into 1 by x plus y means a, plus 2 into 1 by xy and 1 by x minus y means b equals to 4. Okay. 10a plus 2b equals to 4. This is the first equation. Now we are going to second equation. What is second equation here? 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals to minus 2. Here 15 by x plus y is written as 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is written as 5 into 1 by x minus y equals to -2. Write on the equation. 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equals to -2. Here 1 by x plus y means a, and here 1 by x minus y means b. Okay, substitute these two values in the given equations. 15 into a minus 5 into b equals to -2. So write down the equation. 15a minus 5b equals to -2. This is the second equation. Are you clear? Already you got two equations. Now you have to apply any one method: substitution, elimination, or cross multiplication. So observe these two equations. Suppose you have to eliminate b value. Here 2b is there in first equation. In second equation, minus 5b. Now you have to eliminate b10. First equation is multiplied by 5 and second equation is multiplied by 2, because these two are unequal terms. Now we have to equal these two terms. Okay, first equation is multiplied by 5, 5 2s are 10, 10b. Okay, second equation multiplied by 2, 2 5s are 10b. Now equal or not equal? Okay, are you clear? So we are going to another step. 10a plus 2b equals to 4. This is the first equation. 15a minus 5b equals to -2. This is the second equation. Now you have to eliminate any value, either a value or b value. Suppose I will eliminate b value, 2b and 5b, but these two are not equal. Now I have to equal these two terms. How to equal these two terms? First equation is multiplied by 5 and second equation is multiplied by 2. Okay, write down the term. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2, we get. So first equation is multiplied by 5. 5 into 10, 10, 50, 50a, 5 2s are 10b equal to 5 4s are 20. Okay, second equation is multiplied by 2, 2 into 15, 30, 30a minus 2 into 5b, 10b equals to 2 into -2, -4. Are they clear? So write down the next step. 10a plus 2b equals to 4 into 5. Into 5. We get 5 into 10, 50. So 5 into 10a, 50a plus 5 into 2b, 10b. 5 into 4, 20. Okay, clear? This is the third equation. Third equation. Next one. Second equation multiplied by 2. What is second equation? 15a minus 5b equals to -2 multiplied by 2. So 2 into 15, 30a, 2 into 5b, 10b, 2 into 2, -4. Okay, 2 into 15a, 30a, 2 into -5b, 10b, 2 into -2, -4. This is the fourth equation. Now we have to solve these two equations. Why? Here 10b and 10b, these b terms are equal. B terms are equal. So first term contains plus 10b, second term contains minus 10b. Okay, now we have to add these two terms. B terms are cancelled. B terms are cancelled. Are clear? Coming to next step. Adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. Okay, write down the equation 3 and 4. What the third equation? 50a plus 10b equals to 20. 30a minus 10b equals to -4. Okay, 50a plus 10b equals 20. 30a minus 10b equals to -4. Here plus 10b minus 10b cancel. Plus 10b minus 10b cancel. What are the remaining values? 50a plus 30a equals to 80a. Okay, 20 minus 4, 16. 20 minus 4, 16. Okay, 80a equal to 16. 80a equals to 16. So what the next term? A equals to, so 18 in multiplication place. So move opposite side. Division. A equal to 16 by 8. A equals to 16 by 8. Okay. So these two are divisible by 16 table. 16 ones are 16 5s are. 16 ones are 16 5s are. Okay. Therefore A equals to 1 by 5. A equals to 1 by 5. Are you clear? Now substitute value A in the equation first equation or second equation, you can take any one equation. Okay, a variable equations. Putting a equals to 1 by 5, putting a equals to 1 by 5 in the equation 1, first equation. So write down the first equation. What the first equation? 10a plus 2b equals to 4. 10a plus 2b equals to 4. So what is the value of a here? A equals to 1 by 5. A equals to 1 by 5. Okay. Substitute a in a place. 10 into a means 10 into a means 1 by 5 plus 2b equals to 4. Right to the next step. 10 into a means 1 by 5 plus 2b is equals to 4. 10 into 1 by 5. Multiplication position. So 5 ones are 5 twos are cancel. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are. Remaining 2 ones are 2 plus 2b is equals to 4. What is the remaining term? 2 plus 2b equals to 4. 2 plus 2b equals to 4. Now you have to find value of b. Here 2b is there. Okay, 2 in addition place and LHS place. So transpose plus 2. Transpose plus 2 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 2. Now 2b is written as 4 minus 2. 2b is written as 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, we get 2. So 2b equals to 2. 2b equals to 2. So 2b equal to means b equals to 2 by 2. b is equals to 2 by 2. So 2 to cancel. What is the value of b? 1. Okay, right to the next step. 2b equals to 2. Then b equals to 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. Therefore b equals to 2. Sorry, b equals to 1. b equals to 1. 2 to cancel one time. Therefore b value 1. Are you clear? Already you got a value and b value. In the first slide, 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y equals to a and b. Okay. Now substitute these two values in the first equations. Are you clear? Now a equal to 1 by 5. Already we got one value, a value and b value. A value 1 by 5 and b value 1. Now a equals to 1 by 5 gives, what is meant by a? 1 by x plus y equals to a. 1 by x plus y equals to a. Okay. So what is the value of a here? 1 by 5. Okay. So write 1 by 5 in a place. 1 by x plus y equals to 1 by x plus y equals to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Okay. Now solve these two. Cross multiplication. 1 into x plus y, x plus y. 5 into 1, 5. Are you clear? Cross multiplication. 1 into x plus y, x plus y. 5 into 1, 5. So this is written as x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equals to 5. This is the fifth equation. Okay. Now 1 by x minus y equal to b. 1 by x minus y equals to b. So what is the value of b? 1. So right to the next step. And b equals to 1 gives 1 by x minus y equal to b. 1 by x minus y equals to b. Okay. So what is the value of b here? b equals to 1. b equals to 1. 1 by x minus y equals to 1. 1 by x minus y equals to 1. So 1 means 1 by 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Now cross multiplication. 1 by 1. 1 into 1. 1. 1 into x minus y. X minus y. This is written as x minus y equal to 1. X minus y equals to 1. Are you clear? Here 1 means 1 by 1. 1 means 1 by 1. So 1 into 1. 1. Again 1 into x minus y. X minus y. So x minus y equal to 1. X minus y equals to 1. That implies x minus y equals to 1. This is the sixth equation. Sixth equation. Now, you have to solve these two equations. We will get values of x and y. Okay. Now, what do you observe here? Based on equation 5 and equation 6, here plus y and minus y, plus y and minus y. These two are equal terms and having different symbols. Okay. Subtraction is possible. Okay. Simple way. So, add fifth equation and sixth equation. Fifth equation and sixth equation. Okay. Right on the next step. Adding equations 5 and 6. Adding equations 5 and 6. Write down the equations 5 and 6. X plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. X plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. X addition, okay, x plus x 2x plus y minus y 0 plus y minus y 0, 5 plus 1 6. Now we got 2x equal to 6. Now we got 2x equals to 6. 2 equal to 6 means 2x equal to 6, then x equals to 6 by 2. X equals to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is the value of x? X equal to 3. X equals to 3. Therefore, x equals to 3. Okay. Now, so already we got x value. X equal to 3. X equals to 3. So substitute x value in the equation 5th or 6th. Okay. You can take any one equation. So substitute value x in equation 5. In equation 5. So what is the given equation? 5th equation. Write down the 5th equation. Equation 5. X plus y equal to 5. X plus y equals to 5. So what is the value of x? X equal to 3. X equals to 3. So write 3 in x place. X means 3. X means 3. 3 plus y equal to 5. 3 plus y equals to 5. Okay. Then y equals to 5 minus 3. Y equals to 5 minus 3. So what is the value of y? Therefore y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. Okay. X equal to 3 and y equals to 2. Okay. These two are solutions of given pair of linear equations. Are you clear? Conclusion. Hence, the given system of equations has one solution, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Okay. Now, let us move on to the question number 2. So, what is the second question? Solve the pair of equations. Solve the pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Same question. So, you have to reduce the equations. After that, you have to apply is a substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method. You can take any one method. Okay. So second question. So what are the equations? Your first equation is 2 by x plus 3 by y. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13. Okay. Second equation is 5 by x minus 4 by y equals to minus 2. What is the equation? 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. So what are the reducing terms here? X and y. Because first equation contains the denominator is x and y. The same time second equation also x and y terms in denominator. So now we have to reduce the terms x and y. Okay, these two are reducing terms. Okay, 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x, 2 into 1 by x, plus 3 by y means 3 into 1 by y, 3 into 1 by y. Here 1 by x and 1 by y are reducing. Let 1 by x equals to a, 1 by y equals to b. Are you clear? Okay. 5 by x is written as 5 into 1 by x, 5 into 1 by x. Minus 4 by y means 4 into 1 by y equals to minus 2. Okay. Now putting 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. Okay, students. Now next step, solution part. Write down the given equations. Given equations are 2 by x plus 3 by y equals to 13. This is the first equation. 5 by x minus 4 by y equals to minus 2. This is the second equation. Taking 1 by x equal to a. Taking 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. 1 by y equals to b. Okay. Now we are going to equation 1. Okay. So the given equation becomes the first equation 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13 is written as 2 into 1 by x, 2 into 1 by x plus 3 by y means 3 into 1 by y equal to 13. Here 1 by x means a, 1 by y means b. This is written as 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Okay. So write down the equation. That implies 2a plus 3b equals to 13. This is the first equation. Okay. Now we are going to equation 2. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x minus 4 by y means 4 into 1 by y equals to minus 2. This is written as 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y equals to minus 2. Here 1 by x equals to a. Okay, don't forget these two terms. 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. Okay, replace these two values. 1 by x means a, 1 by y means b. 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2. Okay, implies 5a minus 4b minus 4b equals to minus 2. This is the second equation. Okay, now we have to solve these two equations, any one method. Okay, now if you eliminate b term, 3b minus 4b, these two are equal, not equal, or 2a or 5a, these two are not equal, not equal, not equal. Suppose if you eliminate a terms, first equation is multiplied by 5 and the second equation is multiplied by 2. Why? First equation is multiplied by 5, 5 2s are 10a. Second equation is multiplied by 2, 5s are 10a. Now a are cancelled. Okay. Otherwise, if you eliminate b terms, 3b, 4b, these two are not equal. First equation is multiplied by 4, 4 3s are 12. Second equation is multiplied by 3, 3 4s are 12. Now b terms also equal. You have to follow any one method. Okay. Coming to next point, multiplying equation 1 by 4. Okay. Equation 1 is multiplied by 4 and equation 2 is multiplied by 3. Then we get, what are the equations? At the next step, 2a plus 3b equals to 13. 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Okay. So 4 into 2a, 4 into 2a, 8a, 4 into 3b, 4 3s are 12, 4 13s are 52. This is the third equation. Total second equation multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3. Okay, at the next step, 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2. 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2 multiplied by 3. 3 into 5a, 15a. 3 into minus 4b, minus 12b. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Are you clear? 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 13, 52. And second one, 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 4, 12. And 3 into 2, minus 6. Okay, that is coefficients. Now, to solve these two equations, to solve the equations. Now, 12b, 12b. These two are equal, not equal? Equal. Add equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, we will get value of a. Are you clear? Write down the next step. Adding equations 3 and 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. Okay. So 3 and 4, third equation, fourth equation. Third equation, 8a plus 12b equals to 52. Fourth equation, 15a minus 12b equal to minus 6. Here, observe, plus 12b minus 12b. These two are cancelled. What are the remaining terms? 8a, 15a. Addition, 8a plus 15a, 23a. 52 minus 6, 46. 46. 23a equal to 46. Then a equals to 46 by 23. 46 by 23. Okay. A equal to 46 by 23. 23 ones are, 23 twos are. Therefore, A equals to 2. A equals to 2. Okay. Now, substitute value A in the equation 3 or 4. You can take any equation. Or 1 and 2. 1 or 2. Okay. Any one equation. Substitute value A in the above equation 1. Above equation 1. Okay. So, equation 1. What is the equation 1? 2a plus 3b equal to 13. 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Substitute value a. A means 2. So 2 into a means 2 plus 3b equal to 13. Okay. 2 into 2 plus 3b equals to 13. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3b equals to 13. Okay. 4 plus 3b equals 13. Then 3b equals to 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 because 4 in LHS. So transpose 4 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 3b equal to 13 minus 4. 3b equals to 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4. So what is the value of 13 minus 4? 9. 3b equal to 9. 3b equals to 9. Therefore, 3b equal to 9. Therefore, b equals to 9 by 3. b equals to 9 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 3s are. So what is the value of b? Therefore, b equal to 3. b equals to 3. Already we got a value and b value. Okay. So what is meant by a? 1 by x equal to a. 1 by y equal to b. So substitute these values in the first equations. Okay. Now a equal to 2. Now a equal to 2 gives a means 1 by x. 1 by x equal to a. 1 by x equals to a. So 1 by x equals to a means 2. 1 by x equals to 2. 1 by x equals to 2. So 1 by x equal to 2 means 2 by 1. Cross multiplication. 2 by 1. 1 into 1, 1. X into 2, 2x. 2x equals to 1. 2x equals to 1. 2x equals to 1. Then how to find the value of x? X equals to 2 in multiplication place. Move opposite side. Division. X equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 2. What is the value of x? 1 by 2. Okay. Now, a over. Now, b. And b equal to 3. b equals to 3 gives, and b equals to 3 gives. What is meant by b? b means 1 by y. 1 by y. 1 by y equal to b. 1 by y equals to b. Okay. So, substitute b value in b place. 1 by y equals to 3. 1 by y equals to 3. So 3 means 3 by 1. 3 means 3 by 1. Cross multiplication 1 into 1, 1. 3 into y, 3y. 3y equals to 1. 3y equals to 1. So what is the value of y? Y equals to 1 by 3. Y equals to 1 by 3. Already we got two values. X value 1 by 2 and y value 1 by 3. So these two are solutions of given equations. Okay. At the conclusion, hence the solutions is x equals to 1 by 2, comma y equals to 1 by 3. Very clear? Now we are going to another question. Question number 3. This is a word problem. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Okay. While 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by and 1 man alone. So what is given question? 2 women, 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So work done by 2 women, 5 men can finish a work in 4 days. Okay, here unknown value is 1 day work. 1 day work. Either women work or men work. 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Okay, combined work. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also the time taken by 1 man alone. You have to find work done by woman alone and work done by man alone. Okay, these two are unknown values. These two are unknown values. Okay, so coming to solution part. Solution. First of all, I have to write unknown values. Okay, these two are assuming values. Assuming values, because 1 day work, both men and women, these two are unknown values. First point. Let the time taken by 1 woman. Let the time taken by 1 woman to finish the work in X days. In how many days? X days. Let the time taken by 1 woman to finish the work equals to X days. That is the given question. To find time taken by 1 woman alone finish the work. Okay, how many days? X days. The same time, men, work done by 1 woman in 1 day. Okay, so total days, X days. time taken by one woman to finish the work in X days. X days. X means unknown. Suppose 5 days. So one woman can complete the work in 5 days. 1 day work 1 by 5. 2 days work 2 by 5. 3 days work 3 by 5. 4 days work 4 by 5. 5 days work 5 by 5 means 1 day complete. Okay, one work complete. So work done by one woman in 1 day work 1 by X. 1 by X. Are you clear? 1 by X. Same time men. Let the time taken by one man to finish the work in Y days. How many days? A man can complete a work in Y days. Y means Y represents anyone, 10 days, 20 days. But 1 day work, 1 by Y. 1 day work, 1 by Y. Work done by one man in 1 day is equals to 1 by Y days. 1 by Y days. Okay. Are you clear? Now, 2 women and 5 men can together finish and work in 4 days. But 1 day work 1 by 4. Okay. 2 women and 5 men can complete the work in 4 days. But 2 women and 5 men can together finish the work in 4 days. But in 1 day work equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So coming to next. Now 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. How many days? 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. Work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day work 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay. Work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day equals to 1 by 4. Why? 1 day work 1 by 4. 2 days work 2 by 4. 3 days work 3 by 4. 4 days work 4 by 4. 5 days work 5 by 4. Okay. Here 4 days work means 4 by 4. So complete 4 work cancel 1 work completed. Okay. Now 1 woman work in 1 day 1 by X. 2 men works in 1 day 2 by X. Okay. Work done by 2 women in 1 day work. Work done by 1 woman work 1 by X. 2 women work 2 by X. 2 by X. Okay. Work done by 1 man work in 1 day 1 by Y. 5 men work 5 by Y. 5 by Y. Work done by 5 men in 1 day work equals to 5 by Y. Okay. Now 2 women, 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. But 1 day work equals to 1 by 4. 2 women 1 day work 2 by X. 5 men 1 day work 5 by Y. Okay. Both 2 women and 5 men 1 day work equals to 1 by 4. So this is written as total work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day is written as 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals to 1 by 4. 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals to 1 by 4. Are you clear? Okay. 1 woman work in 1 day 1 by X. 2 women work in 1 day 2 by X. 1 man work in 1 day 1 by Y. 5 men work in 1 day 5 by Y. 5 by Y. Okay. Both 2 women and 5 men in 1 day work equals to 1 by 4. So 1 day work is written as 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals to 1 by 4. Okay. So what are the reduction terms here? X and Y. X and Y. Here 1 by X equals to A or P, that you can take any one value. 1 by X equals to A. 1 by Y equals to B. Okay. Now this is written as 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals to 1 by 4. So 4 in multiplication position, move opposite side. Sorry, 4 in division place, move opposite side into place. Okay, 4 into 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals to 1. Are you clear? 4 in denominator place, move opposite numerator. So 4 into 2 by X plus 5 by Y equals to 1. Okay. Now multiplication easy. Otherwise, we have to find LCM. That is a long process. 4 2s are 8. 8 by X plus 4 5s are 20 by Y is equals to 1. For the next step, 8 by X plus 20 by Y equals to 1. Say reduction terms, let 1 by X equals to A. Taking 1 by X equals to A. 1 by Y equals to B. 1 by Y equals to B. So now this is written as 8 by X means 8 into 1 by X. plus 20 by y means 20 into 1 by y equals to 1. So 8 by x means 8 into 1 by x plus 20 by y means 20 into 1 by y is equals to 1. Okay. 8 into 1 by x means 8a plus 20 into 1 by y means b. 20b is equals to 1. Okay. This is written as 8a plus 20b equals to 1. This is the equation 1. Equation 1. Now we are going to second condition. So what is second condition? 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. 3 women, 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. But 1 day work 1 by 3. 1 day work equals to 1 by 3. Now I have to write 3 women 1 day work and 6 men 1 day work. 1 woman 1 day work 1 by x. 3 women 1 day work 3 by x. 1 man 1 day work 1 by y. 6 men 1 day work 6 by y. Okay. Right in the next step. Work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day work equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 because 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. But 1 day work equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now work done by 3 women in 1 day work equals to 3 by x. 3 by x. Now the second one. Work done by 6 men. Work done by 6 men in 1 day work equals to 6 by y. 6 by y. Okay. Both 3 women and 6 men in 1 day work equals to 1 by 3. 3 women 1 day work equal to 3 by x. 6 men 1 day work equal to 6 by y. Now based on the question, 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 1 by 3. That is the second one. What is the next step? Total work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day. Total work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day is written as 3 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Now simplification. 3 in division place, transpose LHS. This is division place, move opposite side, multiplication place. 3 into, this is written as 3 into 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 1. Now multiplication. 3 into 3, 9. 9 by x plus 3 into 6, 18. 18 by y equals to 1. Okay. 9 by x plus 18 by y equals to 1. Here what are the reducing terms? 1 by x and 1 by y. So 9 by x is written as 9 into 1 by x plus 18 by y is written as 18 into 1 by y. Are you clear? Equals to 1. So this is written as taking 1 by x equals to a. 1 by x equals to a. 1 by y equals to b. 1 by y equals to b. Now 9 by x plus 18 by y equals to 1 means 9 into 1 by x. 9 into 1 by x plus 18 into 1 by y equals to 1. So 1 by x means a, 9a plus 1 by y means b, 18b equals to 1. This is the second equation. 9a plus 18b equals to 1. This is the second equation. Already we got two equations. First equation, second equation. Now we have to apply any one method. Substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. Okay. Now then the equation 1 and equation 2. Then the equations are, first equation 8a plus 20b minus 1 equals to 0. Already 8a plus 20b equal to 1. Okay, 1 in RHS place. Transpose RHS, transpose 1 from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 1. Okay, 8a plus 20b minus 1 equals to 0. 9a plus 18b equals to 1. So 1 in RHS place. So transpose RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 1. This is written as 9a plus 18b minus 1 equals to 0. 9a plus 18b minus 1 equals to 0. This is the second equation. Now you have to apply cross multiplication method, any method. Okay. Next step. First of all, write the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Okay, a1 equal to 8, a1 equals to 8, b1 equals to 20, c1 equals to -1, and a2 equals to 9, b2 equals to 18, c2 equals to -1. These coefficients. Okay, read on the formula, cross multiplication method formula. A, here equations are based on a and b values. That's why a and b. A by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to b by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So substitute all coefficients and constant in the given places. So b1 means, so what the value of b1? B1 equals 20. Okay, c2 means -1, so 20 into -1, minus b2 means 18, 18 into c1 means -1. Okay, a by b1 means 20, b1 means 20, c2 means -1, 20 into -1, minus b2 means 18 into c1 means -1 is equals to b by c1 a2, c1 means -1, a2 means 9, -1 into 9, minus c2 a1, c2 means -1 into a1 means 8, -1 into 8 is equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. A1 b2, a1 means 8, a1 b2 means 18, 18 to 18 minus a2 b1, a2 value 9 into b1 value 20, 9 into 20. Are you clear? Now next step, a by 20 into -1 minus 20, minus into minus plus. Okay, 18 into 1 18, so -20 plus 18 is equals to b by -1 into 9 -9, minus into -1, sorry, minus -1 into 8 -8. Okay, now minus into minus plus, -9 plus 8 is equals to 1 by 18 to 18 144 minus 9 into 20 180. Okay, right on the next step, a by -20 plus 18 equals to b by -9 plus 8 equals to 1 by 144 minus 180. Okay, a by -20 plus 18, these two are having different symbols, subtraction. -20 plus 18 -2, a by -2, b by -9 plus 8 -1 equals to 1 by 144 minus 180, 144 minus 180 -36. Okay, a by 2 equals to b by -1 equal to 1 by 36. How to find value of a? A value means denominator of a value by denominator of constant, means -2 by -36. Okay, so how to find b value? Denominator of b by denominator of constant, -1 by -36. Okay, write down the values. Here a equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So b1 c2 minus b2 c1 value -2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 value -36. A equals to -2 by -36. Minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 18s are. A equals to 1 by 18. A equals to 1 by 18. Now I have to find b value. Now find value of b. So write down the equation. B equals to a2 c1 minus a1 c2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So what is the value of a2 c1 minus a1 c2? -1. a1 b2 minus a2 b1 -36. And b equals to -1 by -36. Here -1 minus cancel. Remaining 1 by 36. So what is the value of b? B equals to 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Okay. Already we got values of a and b. But a means 1 by x. B means 1 by y. So substitute these two values in the given equations. Now a equals to 1 by 18. Already we got a value. A equals to 1 by 18 gives. So what is the actual mean of A? A means 1 by x, or 1 by x equals to A. 1 by x equals to A. Okay. Now 1 by x is equals to A means 1 by 18. 1 by 18. So now cross multiplication. 1 into 18, 18. X into 1, x. Therefore x equals to 18. X equals to 18. So what is meant by x? A woman can finish the work alone. That is x days. Means how many days? 18 days. So a woman can finish the work in 18 days. Okay. Now we are going to value b. So what is the value of b? B equals to 1 by 36. But actual meaning b equals to 1 by y. B equals to 1 by y. Now b and b equals to 1 by 36 gives 1 by y equals to b. 1 by y equals to b. Now 1 by y equals to b means 1 by 36. B means 1 by 36. Now simplification. Y into 1, y. And 1 into 36, 36. Cross into. Y into 1, y. And 1 into 36, 36. Y equals to 36. So what is meant by y? Man work. A man can finish the work alone in y days. Means y means how many days? 36 days. 36 days. Okay. Right on the conclusion. So one woman alone can finish the work in 18 days, and one man alone can finish the work in 36 days. Understood? Okay, children. Thank you. The chapter is completed. The next section we will discuss new topic. Thank you.